If your goal is to get to 100 touches per day, it doesn't have to be the first week. It could be, hey, we're going to do 30 minutes or a power hour per day just to see how many good outbound touches we can do in 1 hour, right? Because that is going to help you figure out how much time you actually need to schedule if you want to do 100 outbound in a day, right? If you think about, well, I'll just, do 100 in a day. How hard could that be? I could just load those up into, SalesLoft, or I can load those up into HubSpot, or I can load those up into, some other platform and then just start sending them out. Maybe you realize like, wow, this actually to do some personalization takes some time. So instead of looking at the target of being 100 outbound in a day, you can say, well, let's do it for an hour every day for a week. And let's see how many good touches we can do in an hour. Because you might find maybe you can only do 12 in an hour. Maybe the first day you only do 8. You're like, wow, that took a lot of time just to do 8 touches. But gosh, I learned something. And maybe I've got some templates now that I've built. And maybe the second day you do 15. And the third day you do 20. And the fourth day you do 20 again. And the fifth day you do 25. Now you're starting to get a feel for, okay, in an hour, I can do 20 on average. I can do 20 good touches in 1 hour. So that means if we're going to do 100 outbound touches in a day, I have to make sure, whether it's me personally or my team, is blocking out 5 hours of time to do this right. It informs you about what time you need to do the thing that you want. And further, just if you say, I'm just going to do it for an hour, you set yourself up to win. And like, hey, I'm going to schedule this 1 hour power hour of doing outbound. And whether I do 5 or 8 or 10 or 12 a day for that first week, the win is that I'm doing it and I've done it for an hour and now I have information.